You won't believe what you can buy from Aliexpress for $1, and this product can help you a lot. And what is it? It's a cell phone, smartphone cleaning kit clear tape for mobile phone receiver. Universal dust-proof net sticker for iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi. And what it says in description: before, dust will block the hole and affect the phone communication before cleaning. After cleaning with the tape, make your phone works well after cleaning. Alright, take a look. It's with some kind of jelly or glue to remove the dust from the holes. Alright, and it's $1 from Aliexpress. I got it. And here it is. Let's open it. Okay. Whoa, where is the start? Oh, here it is. You can see it's sticky. Oh, it's very sticky. I think this will work for sure. Let's try it. Here I have an old iPhone, and you can see that the speaker holes, I'll fill it with dust. Let's try to remove that. Carefully, I will cut a small piece. Okay. From one side it's super sticky, on the top it's not. This is before. I'm gonna add like this. Okay. And now with some plastic tool, press on the holes like this. It's soft and sticky. And with this $1 Aliexpress product, you can save your smartphone. For $1 from Aliexpress. The link will be in the description below. I think I'm done. Let's try it. Removing. And yes, there is dust. One more time. Oh, this is a sticky side. Okay. And let's see. Yes. Can you see it? There is dust on the tape and it's removing from the holes. That is great. I don't know, can you see it well? But look, I remove the dust from the holes and this phone will work better. Alright, let's try on my phone. But look, I remove the dust from the hole. I don't know, can you see it? But the speaker have a lot of dust. I'm gonna try to remove it with the tape. Just cut a small piece. Okay. Place it on the speaker hole. Okay, and gently press on the sticky tape, not too much, you don't want to break your phone, like massage. Okay, Can you see the dust is stuck on the tape and it's removing? Maybe you will need to do this 2 or 3 times, but it's worth. And this thing is working 100%. Cleaning your phone for $1. I can't believe it. What you can find on Aliexpress. Great. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Sticky tape for dust removal. Amazing.